The MDC of Mynsngat Khanduli constituency, Dawan Lingdo, made an ardent appeal to the public of the state, especially those residing along the border of Assam, to come forward to settle the matter once and for all and not to wait for the government to settle the matter. According to him, the state government was only waiting for the development scheme to be implemented in the area since, according to the MOU, the two states can bring about development schemes without any interference from both states. But according to sources, the Assam government would bring in development scheme in the border and the state government would not do anything. Whereas, whenever the state government would try to bring in any development scheme in the area, the Assam police, along with the residents from the Assam border, would not allow any development project, and the ones who suffer are none other than our own people residing in the border.
Kini ka klimat na kaliang janga como MDC jangka dan Mynsngat Khanduli constituency kawai na ka constituency jangka Janjil Autonomous Council kebadon hapedeng jangka border area rangkat bat ke Sarkar Assam. Kini ka klimat adon kelenti banyaj senong Artiang Sanphaw kum cibenta ban lejpe yang jingle don bor jangka Sarkar Assam dak ba set up jika Battalion kam hadok lai teli kumaki Shillong Khanduli Shillong Mokoiram bat Shillong Artiang Sanphaw hagajuk opor set up lang jiki fresh check it ke jingdon jong kini Battalion kam bat fresh check it naga Sarkar Assam kalalong cibenta gecing lek don bor yaki briu jongi dak ba shimi ki yaka khajana bat ka tax na kino ki marep ki baki penmi na ki lengkha ki jongki bal ada kimla ban siu ya kini khajana la ni tax hakini fresh checket bat ki Battalion kam ki briu jongi berbor ki kali jongi ki syakem bat ki hapan la yasai sedo hamren la ni sedifu porsin ki briu ki jongi ki la sya pendik kelek ke wan hagajuk por haga kamreng ki jongki kat penang mi kisni kani kelalong ke ke ba pensio si yang akum nong mi khman ban yo i dan leng jongki khman ki jing ke bagi pai ba ki jongi ki kendo handrei yang siapan kentu ya ka Sarkar Meghalaya ki jongi ban pai khmat lem chikini ki snong ban ai ki lat nyeda nagaliang jong ka Sarkar Assam kelabo aduk lai teli ki Battalion kam hakini ki lai teli ki snong aduk lai teli ki fresh checket kat ban liang ke jela ke jongi pat ke don tang ke we ke Battalion kam bo ke Shillong Khanduli kat ba ya ka fresh checket bat ya ka polis apus labo sido ke Shillong sai sama ngasiapan kentu ke state akbe dai bat kene ke benta ban ra no ya kene ka polis apus sa ke Shillong Khanduli le ne ke Shillong Mokoiram nak benta bagi briu jongi bedon kini ke jaka border area rangkat bat ke Assam kinyo ikilat jinyeda namar kat ba dangmi kat banangmi kisni ki briu ki jongi kidang sya nyonbeng akbe dai bat ki jaka ki puta kijing sina surok jong Sarkar Assam klem da nyau chu ye ki kper ki pra jong ginong chang chnong gi jongi ya ki deng ki se ki ba kinong chang chnong jong ki jala jongi ki lepen he hanrei ne liang jong Sarkar Assam kam nyau le ni kam ai ke no jing tip kinong chang chnong hanrei kai chule don bor kai punjot ye ki khlau ki tam bat ye ki kper jong ginong chang chnong gi jongi kene kelong ke jing le don bor ne liang jong Sarkar Assam Namar kata ngasio ban kentu ye state ki jongi ban bo langi kilan jinyeda nak benta ki briu jongi dak ba set up ye ka police apos ka juk oporo dak ba thau kilat kilenti kumno ban ai kilat jinyerap ye ki briu jongi kumana kren do benne ya ki jing sya e ben ki benta ki ba fer